Because first thing I noticed was that is a Ford 2-to-1 header from a CVH engine. And then I saw the front end set up in the oil pump. I said, by golly, this is the CVH engine. It's the bottom half of a CVH, of an HO intake. But instead it has this homemade plenum. That's still the Escort style throttle body. But what did they do here? There's no plaque. It is something super weird. And I'm interested. Still fuel injector. So yeah, it's just the valves are solenoid operated. These are all just for intake and exhaust valves, I can tell by the angles. And there's where the lifter boards used to go. There's no lifters because they're making up with this thing. Pretty cool. It's a Hall effect switch right there. And you can see the profile that it's picking up for 4 cylinders. Yeah, this is hilarious. I need to get some info on it. Nice.